Hey friends, welcome to AI News Bytes, where we will cover the latest happenings from the world of AI. A lot has happened. An AI model which can predict human death with 78% accuracy. An AI tool into which you can just whisper and it will convert your voice into various musical instruments from guitars to drums. Midjourney has recently launched its V6 upgrade, and Google flexed itself by showcasing its new AI video generator. We have a lot to unpack, so let's dive in. There is an AI app called Life2Vec. AI is there to shake things up. It claims to predicting when you might die with 78% correctness and can predict other things about your life. It's trained with data from 6 million people from Denmark, and it's turning heads for beating life insurers and their own game. Sue Lehman of DTU insists our model should not be used by the insurance company, highlighting the ethical tightrope. Check this video out from the source.
AI algorithm that actually predicts when people will die. Similar to ChatGPT, the model, known as Life2Vec, uses data-rich input to foretell things like mortality, personality nuances, and long-term decision-making. I spoke with lead researcher Sue Lehman, who told the Post that this model uses a lot of details from a person's life history to foretell what's in their future. And this bot isn't just some spooky fortune teller with a crystal ball. No. It actually predicts when people will die with 78% accuracy. Lehman and his research team, they use very plain language to speak to the bot, providing it information on each individual in their study population, a population of 6 million Danish people, in very plain English. And every time they gave a new piece of information, they would assign that piece of information with a specific code. And through that code, the system was able to determine when a person would die. And while the model isn't currently available for public use, Lehman hopes that one day systems like Life2Vec will help people make positive life changes to extend their life expectancy.
Absolutely crazy, right? Life2Vec isn't just another AI. It's a sign of a world where your financial advisor and your doctor get their cues from an algorithm. Think about a job market where employers have a peek into your longevity, or banks that adjust your mortgage based on your AI predicted lifespan. Absolutely crazy. The model is pretty scary. Do you really want to know when you may die or when you may meet your end? I certainly don't. Let's move on to the next piece of news. No need to spend years learning music. Now you can create music by just whispering and humming it. Check this demo out. I am sorry I could not locate the source of this video. Now Google flexed its new AI video generator called VideoPoet. It offers text to video, image to video, and video editing as well. VideoPoet, developed by Google Research, is an advanced AI model for zero-shot video generation. It can create high-motion variable length videos from text prompts and is also capable of generating audio to match an input video without text guidance.
Amazon raccoon forest lives Rookie the raccoon and his family. Rookie loves to play soccer with his friends, collect acorns from the trees, swim in the river, and catch fish. But what he loves most is exploring new places and sniffing new smells. Except he's never made it out of the vast forest. Every night he dreams of seeing exotic places.
It leverages a large language model to synthesize and edit videos with temporal consistency, showcasing a broad range of high-fidelity motions. The model supports generating videos in square or portrait orientation and includes audio generation from video input. For more details, you can visit the site and leave the link below. And as for Midjourney, the V6 upgrade is finally here. Here are some incredible results showcased by Nick St. Pierre, who is a master in Midjourney. You must check him out. As per the announcement by Midjourney, what is new with the V6 base model? Much more accurate prompt following as well as longer prompts. Improved coherence and model knowledge. Improved image prompting and remix. Minor text drawing ability. You must write your text in quotations and you should select the style to be raw or lower. There will be improved upscalers both with subtle and creative modes. Prompting with V6 will be significantly different than what you know. You will need to relearn prompting. V6 is much more sensitive to your prompt. Avoid junk like award-winning photorealistic 4K, 8K, etc. Be explicit about what you want. It may be less vibey, but if you are explicit, it's now much better at understanding you. Now let's hop on to Microsoft's Copilot, where you can generate songs. They have partnered with Suno, a leader in artificial intelligence-based music creation, to bring their capabilities to Microsoft Copilot. Through this partnership, people will have at their fingertips the ability, regardless of musical background, to create fun, clever and personalized songs with a simple prompt. Suno has been a leader in AI music technology, pioneering the ability to generate complete song lyrics, instrumentals and singing voices from a single sentence. You don't have to know how to sing, play an instrument, or read music to bring your musical ideas to life. Microsoft Copilot and Suno will do all the hard work for you, matching the song to cue in your prompt. To get started creating your music, simply follow these steps. Open Microsoft Edge, visit copilot.microsoft.com and leave the link below, and ensure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. Enable the Suno plugin or click on the Suno logo that makes music with Suno and ask Copilot to create a song. You might not have access to it as yet, but I'm sure you'll get it soon. That's it for today, and see you in the next video.